Hello and welcome to INSYNC Commerce demo video. In this demo video, we will cover the concept of price lists and its applications. So INSYNC Commerce is a B2B e-commerce platform which is built for distribution, wholesaling and manufacturing D2C. It's an end-to-end integrated B2B e-commerce platform which can which can be applied for better digital adoption, quick launch, and faster growth. The platform offers inbuilt integration with popular backend business applications like ERP, POS, and CRM systems, and it provides a seamless digital commerce experience. So, price list, as we know, is applicable for B2B business scenarios. And when we talk about B2B business scenarios, price lists help to segment the customers based on the commercial arrangement. So, based on the commercial engagement, commercial activities, the customers can be segmented. Now, each price list can be applied to whole list of the merchandise, all the products, or there can be specific products which can be a part of a specific price list. So in this session, we will cover how you can create price list, how you can assign products under a specific price list, and how this can be applied to B2B customers. So when the B2B customers are actually experiencing the digital commerce portal, they can utilize these features or they can see the application of this feature. So let's have a look in INSYNC Commerce portal. So this is the demo store. This is the front end of INSYNC Commerce and this is the admin panel. So if we first go in the creation of price list, so we need to go to the settings section and here we can see an option of price list. If we go into this price list section, we can see that there is a button present which is called add new price list. So usually, as I have mentioned in the beginning, that INSYNC Commerce works in an integrated approach. It offers an omni-commerce. So when it is integrated with the backend ERP system, these price lists, the associated product within the price list and the business partner and price list association, all these can sync from the backend ERP system to INSYNC Commerce. But here in this demo video, we will show you that how this can be used and managed within the INSYNC Commerce platform. So here we can see when we click on add a new price list, we can associate this price list to a particular website. We can give it a name. There is a factor associated with a price list. So factor is basically applies that how much amount of discount, how much percentage of discount you'd like to associate with that price list. So usually if you give a factor of 0.75, that means whatever the product base price is, this factor will be applied with that, and ultimately the product you are arranging a 25% discount with a 0.75 factor. If you wish to give a 10% discount, you will use a 0.9 factor. And for base price list, the factor will be 1. So this factor can be given in this way and can be managed in this way. So let's have a look at how this price list actually works. So if I open up an existing price list, so I have created a price list called gold level distributor price list with a factor of 0.75. That means any product where this price list is being applied, that product will be available at a 25% discount, or the base price of that product will be multiplied by this factor and it will be applied and shown to the customer. Now this price list can be associated with few customers, so the customer and price list association I will show in the next part. So let's see that how the products will work. So once the price list you have created, once you have entered these values and you save this price list, a tab will open up here, a section which is called products. So here you can apply this price list on all the products, or you can apply this price list on few products. So the products on which you wish to apply this price list, their base price will actually comes from the ERP system if INSYNC Commerce works in an integrated mode. So the base price list price will be synced from the ERP system, or else if INSYNC Commerce working in an independent mode without any integration, then this once you tick on this flag, the base price will be shown here. So these are the base price. So as I can see that there is a product called Canon EF 28300 mm, and it's a lens C28300, and its base price is $3,000. And once this is associated with this price list, it will be applied with a factor of 0.75, that means a 25% discount. So let's have a look at this price at this product first in the front end. If I go in the front end, click on discover collection. So this is a lens, so I will go into the lens category. So here I can see that Canon 28300 lens, the base price is showing is $3,000. That means it is shown to the visitor or not logged in customer as the base price $3,000. Now I have created this price list, and under that price list I have associated this product with a $3,000 base price, and this price list will provide, as I mentioned, a 25% discount. That means multiply $3,000 with this factor 0.75, the price will become 2250. So now let's associate this price list with end customer. So if I go into the customer section at INSYNC Commerce admin panel, here I can see an existing customer, Camrico Limited, who is a B2B customer. If I check more detail of this customer, if I go into account information section, so apart from the B2B customers detail, I can see there is an option called price list. So this is not a mandatory field, not necessary that all B2B customers will have a price list in the initial stage. There can be some wholesale customer who doesn't have this price list, they will get some quantity level discount. But usually if you have distribution channel, then you have set price lists. So let's say Camrico Limited, let's assume that they are a gold level distributor, and that's why we have chosen gold level distributor price list. We have assigned this price list to Camrico Limited as a B2B customer. Now Camrico Limited has some contact persons. So if these contact person logs in, let's see at the front end of the store, at the website, that how the price list will be applied. So let's log in as Steve. I will just copy this email ID and go in the front end. So first of all, I can see the lens price is $3,000, which is being shown to the visitor. So not logged in customer, which is the base price. Now if I log in as an employee of Camrico Limited, so let's see what will happen. So the sign in is complete. Now if I go in the home page and check the collection and go in the lens section, so now I will be able to see that a 25% discount has been applied, and the digital experience is personalized as per the B2B customers set price list. So the B2B customers contact person Steve has logged in, as I can see, and once Steve logged in, he can see specific discount on this specific lens, or he can see all the discounted price for all products depending on his price list settings. So in this way, price list can be created, can be, products can be associated with the price list. The price list can be associated with the B2B customer, and when B2B customers contact person logs in, they will see a personalized experience related to the user, the price, the product price that they will see at the portal. Thanks for seeing the demo video.